question 16 now. So we are asked to solve for x. We got this logarithmic function, and what we're going to do is something we did earlier. I call it the log dance. That's something new to you. We are just taking log, I'll do b for base, log base b of a equals c. The log dance is that the base becomes the base of an exponential, the answer becomes an exponent, and the input to the logarithm becomes the answer. And you're going to see that this will help us solve. So there's three pieces. There's the base, there's the answer, there's the input. And the two things that are together, that's the main thing, is going to be separate sides. So you could start with that. Okay, I always know, I like to start with the base because the base is the base, right? And there's going to be an exponent on it. What's that exponent? It's going to be the thing from the other side. That's the 1. And everything else goes over here. Now, it hasn't quite solved for x, but it's got us in a world where now we've got just really, we're going to see a linear equation because 4 to the first power is just 4. Okay, so we'll emphasize, if it was 4 squared, it would have became 16, whatever it is. We will add 7 to both sides. 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. Equals 3x. And then we divide by 3. So not too bad. X equals 11/3. Just like that. And again, sometimes it seems harder because you're trying to do too much calculation, and it's really about location. There's 3 parts. You got to scramble them in a way, sort of do this log dance. And that comes from the definition of what a logarithm is, that it's the inverse of an exponential. Okay. And then 11/3. Okay. Following that rule. And once you get it down, it can be very straightforward. It can also be easy to mix up. I know there's 3 things, and it's hard to juggle 3 things at the same time. 2 things are easier, but we got 3, so we got to get them all in the right place. But if you'll just remember that, kind of focus on the base is always going to be the base, and it's going to have an exponent on it. And where's that exponent going to come from when we're going this way? Well, it's going to come from the answer. It's going to come from the other side of the equal sign. You do that first, and then whatever's left over, it's got to go to the other side. And then we solve from there. All right.